In this video, you'll learn how to make money selling baseball caps on eBay. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to successfully source, list, and sell caps to maximize your profits. Begin by sourcing profitable brands. Focus on popular brands, vintage styles, sports teams, and limited edition caps. Conduct research on completed listings to identify which caps have strong demand. This insight will help you select items that are more likely to sell quickly and at a good price. Next, you will need to optimize your listings for better visibility and appeal. Use clear, high-quality photos that showcase the caps from multiple angles. Write detailed descriptions that include information about the cap's condition, brand authenticity, and any unique features. Incorporate relevant keywords that potential buyers might search for, as this will enhance your listing's discoverability. Once your listings are ready, focus on pricing competitively. Compare both active and sold listings of similar caps to determine an appropriate price point. Make sure your price is competitive yet profitable. Additionally, consider enabling the best offer option on your listings. This feature allows buyers to negotiate the price, which can lead to increased conversions. As you prepare to list your caps, keep in mind practical considerations such as shipping costs and eBay fees. Calculate these expenses beforehand to ensure your pricing strategy covers all costs while still providing a profit margin. This will help you avoid losses and make informed decisions about your pricing. Finally, after your caps are listed, monitor the performance of your listings. Pay attention to views, watchers, and any buyer inquiries. Adjust your strategies based on this feedback, such as modifying descriptions, changing prices, or updating photos to improve sales performance. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.